Hello everybody, hope that you're good. Today is the last trading day of the week for me, because you guys know that I don't trade on the weekend, at least not Bitcoin. If I do, I usually trade altcoins. So today's going to be the last trading day of the week for me, most likely. Yesterday's trading setup, you can see that it played out. That's the liquidity pool, that was our target, 26,820. And you can see that price bounced, okay? We were saying that we were under this resistance, the 50 MA in the 1 hour time frame, and we were expecting some kind of a short squeeze to the upside, all right? And then is when you have here the liquidity pool completely retraced, okay? So that was a good setup. Let's try to find another setup for today. I'll tell you what happened this morning, okay? I woke up, I logged into TradingView, and I looked at the chart, and straight away I saw this wick over here, okay? So let me mark it for you guys. That is the wick, okay? You have here the 100% of the wick. Let me mark it for you. 100% of the wick. Okay, in yellow, 16. That's how I usually like to mark it. And clone, and here 50%. All right, so that's imbalance in the chart that we think the price will likely come back to, okay? Now, we have our target. Hopefully they can fill the wick today. And once you have the target, I always tell you, now you have to try to find your entry point, okay? So that liquidity pool here is filled. You see this wick here got filled. And now you have to try to figure out what zone they might attack first before the wick, all right? So if we go into the 15 minutes time frame, let's try to figure out something, okay? Let's try to find something here. Okay, I see another wick here at the highs, all right? I see that's the 50%, that's the 100%. So I see that wick there. The wick, if you notice, it was retracing this liquidity pool here. Let's try to find more things. 1 hour time frame. Okay. I mean, this could be another small here liquidity pool there. Okay, that is not finished. So what I would say is that most likely we might see today. I'm gonna remove this target because it's too close. I think it's likely that we see a spike up first. Okay, maybe sweep these highs and then go towards the wick. Okay, and that would be maybe a pump towards 26,800 before 26,300. Okay, that's what I think at the moment. But of course, you have to think that there is a lot of liquidity to the upside. Okay, because you have here this large liquidity pool over here. That's around 27,500. Okay, and also you have a wick here. All right, this wick over here. So there are some targets to the upside, but because we have a wick here, okay, if price pumps here, we're not going to trust this pump because we think that there is an imbalance left in the chart. So it makes more sense that price recovers this imbalance and then it can pump if it wants to, okay? So now that we have the main idea of the trade of the day, okay, that would be a pump first, hopefully right at the start of the New York session. And with that, I mean ideally between 2 and 4 p.m. UTC time, because then we would have time to see this retrace, okay, in the same session. And that would be a 2% pump, sorry, 2% move for Bitcoin. So that would be a very nice trade. Now, you have to think about the invalidation of this idea, okay? Because if you have no invalidation, you know, when you think about trade, you have to think about the target, that's the take profits, the entry point, and the invalidation, okay? When you're going to quit that trade. When are you going to leave that trade? When are you going to exit if you don't like what you are seeing, okay? And in my opinion, in this case, it's in the 4 hour time frame, okay? You have here the 50 MA. You can see that it acted as resistance here, all right? So what you don't want to see, in my opinion, is the price. Let me remove this, please, so it's more clear. What you don't want to see is this pump first, okay? We're fine until then. And then a retrace, and that we hold the 50 MA in the 4 hour time frame. Because if we hold that level during the retrace and we don't go lower, okay, that means that we're going to have another bounce. And that would take us maybe to 27,200. You have here another liquidity pool in this zone here, okay? So that's what you have to be careful with. We have those two scenarios in my opinion, because you have the many scenario, which is go to 26,800-ish and then retrace towards this wick straight away, okay? But if during that retrace the 50 MA in the 4-hour time frame holds, then we're gonna switch into a long position, okay? And we're gonna aim for this zone here. That's so far what I can see in the chart. So I'm not gonna go into high block capital because we did that yesterday. There is a lot of liquidity between 27,500, okay, and 28,200. Why? It's very simple. Let me show you all these imbalances. There are a lot of imbalances. First of all, you have here this liquidity pool here. Also, you got another liquidity pool here, and of course you have a wick over here, okay? These are the levels in the chart to the upside. To the upside, there are also some levels. I'm not gonna lie to you because you have here also a liquidity pool, all right? But if you check high block capital, there has been liquidations here for quite some time. So I've been telling you, we're expecting these zones to get taken sooner or later, okay? That's why you have to be very careful with shorts at the moment, in my opinion. Even if the chart is looking bearish here, all right, and you are under resistance, you have to be very cautious because as soon as you see a move like this, okay, and you flip resistance into support, then that's when you can start seeing price attacking these zones high, okay? So that's what I mean. I'm gonna try today to take that short around 26,800, 26,700 or so. But as soon as I see something like this, then I'm gonna cut my trade, okay? And I'm gonna favor higher prices. It's as simple as that, okay? Before I finish the video, I want to remind you that you can trade in BitGet. It's an exchange that doesn't require KYC. And if you register with the link in the description, you're gonna get $5 bonus for free. Also, any deposits between $200 and $1,000 get 10% payback. So that means that if you, for example, deposit, let's say $400, you're gonna get $40 for free. All right, 10% payback. And also, well, if you deposit bigger amounts, you get bigger rewards, of course. And anybody that deposits at least $100 is going to participate in the next giveaways for the trading course for free. Last week, we did a giveaway of 10 winners for the trading course in July, and we'll do new ones soon. So that's pretty much everything I want to say, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.